How to add an ULTA gift card to the ULTA app. First, make sure you've downloaded the ULTA Beauty app from your app store. Open the app and log into your account. If you're new, just take a moment to create one. It's free and easy. Once you're in, tap on the account icon at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, find the wallet or gift cards and credits option. It's usually in the main list here. Now tap Add Gift Card. This is where you'll need your gift card handy. Look for the card number and the PIN, usually found on the back of the card. Carefully type in the card number and PIN. Make sure you've got it right, then hit Add to Wallet. And there you go. Your gift card is now saved in your ULTA wallet. Thanks for watching.